So, why is Vegas on everyone's bucket list? Well, it's because the city offers a unique escape from the ordinary. It's a place where dreams are born and fortunes are made, and the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary. The promise of extravagance and larger-than-life experiences draws millions each year. Las Vegas reimagines some of the world's most famous landmarks, creating a surreal and captivating atmosphere. The Las Vegas Strip is iconic. Adorned with its dazzling lights, it beckons visitors from across the globe. It's the city that never sleeps, the entertainment capital of the world, renowned for its glitz and glamour. In the middle of all this grandeur, I was yearning for something more.
Good morning. We are going to be taking a trip to go see the Hoover Dam today. A little something different other than just staying around looking at the lights and stuff.
Call me the damn driver. So, if I'm the damn driver, you know what that means. You're the damn passengers. We're going to take a lot of damn photos and we're going to have some damn fun. Now, I'm going to make 4 stops. Only one of those 4, you have to get off. And that's at the damn dam. Okay?
The Las Vegas sign was our first stop. It was smaller than what I imagined, overshadowed by the city's grandeur. It was a good reminder that some really big things can come from humble beginnings.
So we just went to the Vegas sign, took a few pictures, and we are off to Hoover Dam now. I didn't know we were going to get to do all these extra little stops, but hey, I'm enjoying it.
We loaded back up onto the bus and we were on our way. As we left the city, the landscape began to unfold before us. The vast desert stretched out like a canvas. The warm hues of the sand and rock created a serene panorama. Nestled just a stone's throw away from Las Vegas is Boulder City. This quaint little town was established during the construction of the Hoover Dam. It served as a hub for the thousands of workers that brought the dam to life. Today, Boulder City stands as the quiet guardian of the Hoover Dam. Its quiet streets, lined with historic buildings, speak to a time when the focus was on progress, unity, and the remarkable feat of engineering that would reshape the American West. The city is a testament to the human spirit's ability to create and nurture. It's a reminder that even in the midst of monumental achievements, there's a place for tranquility and reflection. As we journeyed further, the desert revealed even more beauty. The rugged, vast, and sun-kissed terrain was humbling and awe-inspiring. The next stop was the Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. Gracefully spanning the Colorado River, the Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge offers an unparalleled vantage point. All while standing amidst the serenity of the desert, you can gaze upon the majestic Hoover Dam and the Black Canyon. journey was more than just a destination. It was a sensory awakening, a symphony of colors and textures that stretched out in every direction, kissed by the warmth of the sun. Looking through the windows of our bus, I couldn't help but be captivated. Each bend in the road offered something new, something unexpected. It was as if our surroundings had been whispering its secrets, inviting us to unravel all its mysteries. This was only the beginning of our journey, and the anticipation of what lay ahead was exhilarating. The sheer grandeur of the landscape that I'd already seen left me humbled. It reminded me of the boundless wonders this world holds. The thought of experiencing this wonderland up close and personal was absolutely electrifying. The moment was near when we would be able to experience this beauty unencumbered by glass or any barrier. Okay guys, it is 11:33. We finally made it to the dam. Alright, so we're going to take this tour and I'll be pulling you back out in a minute. Alright. As we stepped inside, we were met with an entirely different world. A world of tunnels and turbines, the very things that make the Hoover Dam work. Enormous turbines loomed before us. Hidden beneath the dam's surface, these turbines are the powerhouse of energy generation. As we explored, I began to see the Hoover Dam as a symbol of human ingenuity and perseverance. And it's a reminder that when we come together with a common goal, we can achieve the extraordinary.
Hey guys, still on the tour.
Go check out your journey. Go see how far you went.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. so beautiful.
As I stood there, a profound sense of awe washed over me. Right before my eyes stood a masterpiece of engineering, a testament to human imagination and determination. The sheer beauty of this colossal structure nestled in the Black Canyon was unlike anything I'd ever seen before. As I stood there, I couldn't help but think of the incredible journey it represented. A journey of visionaries who dreamt of taming the Colorado River, and the workers who proved that even in the face of unsurmountable odds, humanity can rise to the occasion, create beauty, and shape the world in ways that leave us in awe.
Okay guys, we have one more stop and we're about 5 minutes away from that location. We're going to stop at Lake Mead Overlook. This is where you are able to get yourself a great view of the marina. Once upon a time, the largest man-made lake in the world. It has dropped more than 170 feet.
Like a week. Oh my God, babe. I want to be out there.
Okay. Next trip.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding? Oh, they going pooping on their roof. Oh my God. Can we go get to know them?
Blue spaces have always been important to me. Even in the desert, the serene waters held the promise of tranquility. That day I made a promise to myself to seek out moments like this, even in the most unexpected places, to find a place to clear my mind and to find solace. And so, this journey to the Hoover Dam has been an exploration of beauty, magnitude, engineering marvels, and the boundless spirit of human perseverance. It's a reminder that as we stand in the presence of greatness, we too can aspire to achieve the extraordinary.